And he's doing it fast because it's cold.
Yeah. It's somewhere in the 20s right now, and kind of breezy, so
Windy.
a little bit chilly. So the first thing we do is we take down all these stabilizer jacks.
Now, do you have to have an impact driver to do that?
Pretty much. It's just such a pain to do it manually. It would take too long. One of the things you'll notice if you look behind the tire, we're on a slope, so we've blocked the tires. Actually let the trailer roll back until the tires catch it, so we don't end up with a runaway trailer. Because these jacks, if this thing tried to roll, it really wouldn't hold it. They just fold up and break it, actually. So get those tucked up nice above the level of the tank. If we are going down a rough road coming out of here, so we need all the ground clearance that we can get. Alright, so there's that.
You already put the power cords away.
Got the power cords away. Now it's time to fold up the porch. So we got a couple little screws we take off here. Move the board up there out of the way so it can fall up. And I'll show you how this thing hangs on the back.
Normally I help with this because those stairs are pretty heavy. How many pounds do you think those stairs are, babe?
Oh, probably about 50 or 60 pounds. They're kind of heavy.
They just hook on to those little poke outs. Is there a technical term for that, Justin?
There's hooks.
Oh, hooks, okay.
Then I got some D-rings down here and a bungee cord so it doesn't flop around on us. So I got all the covers on everything, so none of the dirt and everything gets into it. And we can start pulling up the porch here.
So we do have to move this board, which we just kind of shifted up and away.
Yeah. And this holds us real nice.
Even though he does this in just a few minutes, this is about half the time with 2 people. Normally it's both of us doing it, so we're able to kind of get the outside packed up in about a minute or 2, which is really nice and convenient.
So we do kind of want to look around. I got, like I say, some rocks behind the back wheels only, so we're ready to pull out. So now we'll go ahead and hook the truck up.